Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
The Polo R-Line 1.0 TSI 110 PS comes in a pure white finish and it looks fantastic. This car is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen with just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. As you can see, it's got a clean exterior, and we'll touch on the interior soon. You have your upgraded 17-inch Bonneville Black diamond-turned alloy wheels, which offer a sportier look to the vehicle in my opinion, and powerful new mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them. You have a fairly spacious boot size, big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, alongside a sustainable amount of legroom in the back and charging ports in the back there for rear passenger convenience. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the dashboard display, but we'll touch on this soon. And you can see we have the flint grey and titanium black interior upholstery with the R-Line embroidery on the seats, and an upgraded panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and a skyline view, perfect for summer drives. The multifunction steering wheel also does enable you to configure the dashboard display, showing key information like your driving data, audio and your telephone. To the left hand side you also have your assist functionalities, which does incorporate your speed limiter. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and as we go into navigation you can see you're prompted to purchase at additional cost. However, in App Connect you get access to the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your Mirror Link, and allows safely display your phone directly through the car to access driver safe applications including Google Maps navigation. As we go into park distance control, we have the front and the back parking sensors to fill ourselves with confidence and safety in every manoeuvre, ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. As we do put the car in reverse, these sensors do automatically display, but it is nice to know we can access this at any point. Lastly, you can also make calls directly through the car via telephone. However, the ability to actually do this can come through App Connect as well if you do prefer, but it's nice to know it's got its own central app. Video on the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.